Hello, fourth grade. So thank you guys so much for those of you that completed the Soul Me Law assessment from last week, week 5. Some of you did very well, but it did make me realize that we need to review Soul and Me as a class together. So we are only going to be doing Soul and Me this week. I will add Law back in next time. But let's review. Soul, remember our hand sign for soul is just like this. It's scaredy cat soul. He's scared, he covers his eyes. Okay. Soul lives in space number 3. Let's count it. Here's space number 1. You can see my arrow. Here's space number 2. Space number 3. Now, Soul could also live on a line. So we talked in class how when Soul is at home, he lives in a space, but when Soul goes on vacation, he moves to the third line. So he could live in the third space, 1, 2, 3. He could also live on a line, 1, 2, 3, line number 3. Now, me. Flathead me. So flathead me, we have a flat hand just like this. Is flathead me higher on the staff than Soul or lower on the staff than Soul? Is flathead me higher or lower? What do you think? Lower. So anytime we sing, when we sing Soul, that note is going to be higher sounding than me. So if this is so, then we need to make sure we come down me to get to flathead me. So, me, so. Do just that much with me. Ready, go. So, me, so. Very nice. So just like in our Gilbert the Great White Shark book that you guys should have listened to, Gilbert the Great White Shark, and shark is a different one we'll talk about another time. But if we were to sing Gilbert the Great White Shark using Soul and Me, it would sound so me, so me. And then again, the one that we haven't learned yet. So whenever we're singing, we want to make sure that the notes that we're singing match, whether we're singing Soul, which is the higher note, or Me, which is the lower note. So what space number is Me? Let's count. 1, 2. What line do you think Me goes on? Line number 2. So as you can see, we can have Soul and Me in spaces when they're at home, but when they go on vacation, they move to the lines. Me is always going to be lower than Soul. Let's take a look at this pattern. They are at home, so we're going to be singing, they are at home, so they are in spaces. Which one is in space number 3? Let's see. Here's space number 1. Here's space number 2. Here's space number 3. Soul is in space number 3. What about Me? What space number is Me? 1, 2. Now, which one is higher? Is Soul higher than Me, or is Me higher than Soul? Soul is higher on the staff than Me. Listen to me sing this. So, me, so, me. Try that with me. Here's our starting note. So, ready, go. So, me, so. Let's look at the next one. Now they are on vacation, so they've moved to the lines. But look, Sol is still higher on the staff than me. And when I say that, that means that if I'm singing, I'm not going to sing so me. Did you hear when I sang that? This note was lower than this note. So this note should be so. Listen as I sing. So me, so me, so me. Try it with me. Ready, go. So me, so me, so me. Did you start on the higher note? Let's try it again. Ready, go. So me, so me, so me. All right, I changed it up. Take a look at it. And let's try it together. Here's our starting note. Ready, go. So, so, me, so, me. Let's try it again. Ready, go. So, so, me, so, me. Try it without me. Ready, go. And one more time with me. Ready, go. So, so, me, so, me. All right. Here, I'm going to create a pattern. Whoops. Oh, I can't do it in, there we go. And let me go here. They are at home, so they're in spaces. I'm going to start with Sol. Does Sol go in space number 2 or does it go in space number 3? If you said space number 3, you are correct. All right, that must mean that me goes in space number 2. I'm going to create this pattern here. Just like we have done in class together. All right. So here's my pattern I just created. Listen to me sing it. So, me, so, me, so. Now try it with me. Ready, go. So, me, so, me, so. Nice job, you guys. All right, here, now we have some quarter notes and some eighth notes, but they're still either Sol or either me. What do we start with? Let's see. It is space number 1, 2, 3. It's higher on the staff than this note. So what does that make it? If you said Sol, you are correct. Listen to me sing this one. So, me, so, me, so, so. Try that one with me. Ready, go. So, me, so, so, so. All right, I think that is all we are going to do with that today. So I really wanted us to pay attention to sol is higher on the staff than mi. So when we sing, sol is the higher note. All right, and it's always the same. So, and mi is always me. So, me, so, me. Okay, we've sung a lot of songs this year that have had that pattern in it, like Bumblebee, Bumblebee, Gilbert the Great White Shark. Um, let's see, those are the top two I can think of off the top of my head right now. But remember, sol is higher than mi, so we have to show that with our voices. Now, next time, we're going to be looking at la again, but review this video as many times as you need to get really comfortable with identifying where sol is, where mi is, and how they sound. As always, let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you have a great week. Bye!